In Cleveland, right off Highway 61, in the heart of the Delta, we find the 28,000 square foot Grammy Museum Mississippi. One of the most underrated music destinations in the country. Most people drive right past it, but today, you're going inside. Mississippi actually has more Grammy winners per capita than any state. Exactly why this world-class museum was built right here. Our tour started with a special treat at the Sanders Soundstage, where we were able to watch Guitar Frenchie, a deep roots music artist.
Walking along in the rain, water in my shoes. All I can feel is this pain in my heart and these muddy waters.
Originally from France, he came to America, fueled by a lifelong obsession with the blues, eventually becoming a US citizen after 15 years. After the short show, we had lunch in the lobby, admiring the stunning mix of modern architecture with Delta soul. The striking, 30-foot-tall glass curtain wall floods the space with natural light. And the exterior extensively makes use of corrugated metal to represent the material of local sharecropper shacks that were once home to legendary blues musicians. Similar accents are seen inside, adorning the walls depicting Grammy greats. And there is a gallery of current Grammy winners, although it looked like this physical wall was still catching up to the latest ceremony. Let's go inside to explore the past, present, and future of music. We start in a room, honoring the meaning and evolution of the Grammy, the only peer-voted recognition in music. In addition to being surrounded by videos of historic performances, you can also view the evolution of the iconic gramophone trophy, handcrafted from Grammium, a proprietary, trademarked zinc alloy used exclusively to cast the Grammy Award trophies. We then enter the history of the Grammy Awards area, showcasing Taylor Swift, amongst a colorful timeline of Grammy facts, the history of the awards, and important moments from past Grammy telecasts. Interactive pads tell you more about each album that captured the top award every year since the awards began. And you can see the fashion of these musicians, including juggernaut Taylor Swift, country legend Miranda Lambert, and rock royalty Jon Bon Jovi. We also explore the Grammy archives and recent winners. This audio-visual interactive is a who's who of the history of the Grammy. You can listen to music and learn about some of the world's best artists. Inside a small theater, you can see video clips of Grammy performances, along with other footage highlighting significant moments in music history. Next, we get a good look at the fashion on the red carpet. This exhibit features original clothing worn there and on the stage, illustrating the glitz and glamour of music's biggest night. Continuing on, we find artifacts from singer-songwriter Rosanne Cash, jazz legend Count Basie, and global music icon Beyoncé. We also find a special exhibition called The Killer, The Preacher, and The Cowboy. It explores the remarkable lives of Jerry Lee Lewis, Jimmy Swaggart, and Mickey Gilley. These three iconic cousins were all born within a year of each other and raised in the small town of Faraday, Louisiana. Despite their shared roots, influenced heavily by both the church and the blues music of the Mississippi Delta, they took very different paths to fame. The museum is loved for its interactive exhibits. You can write and record your own blues song inside the production pod and learn new dance moves in the history of dance. These hands-on exhibits are intermingled with amazing musical artifacts, like this iconic instruments exhibit. Inside, you find actual instruments used by some of the world's leading musicians including B.B. King, Bruno Mars, and many more. We also see the landmark moments in American popular music exhibit. From Jimi Hendrix to Michael Jackson, you can explore a massive visual timeline of the icons, artifacts, and breakthroughs that shaped American music. We continue into exhibits, highlighting music legends from the 2010s and beyond, and then enter the Mississippi Gallery. Here, you can find artifacts from Mississippi artists, including Hardy and the North Mississippi All-Stars. Find hit songs at the Mississippi Music Bar. Learn why Mississippi is the birthplace of America's music. And explore photos, songs, and awards on the Mississippi Music Table. You can also play instruments in the Roland Room before exploring the special exhibit on 80s rock. Inside, you can relive the era of big hair and loud guitars. From Motley Crue to Guns N' Roses, this exhibit celebrates the legendary glam and metal scene that defined a generation. We end our virtual tour here. While small, we found the GRAMMY Museum Mississippi engaging, educational, and surprisingly fun. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.